In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp live location not updating problem. For fixing problem, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp. Now tap on update, up-to-date WhatsApp if available in update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now scroll down notification bar. Now make sure you enable location. Now open WhatsApp. Now share location. Continue. Allow. Now you can see that WhatsApp live location working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.